Kahapon pa ako pinari ko sa inyo. Dito muna sa luwan, nilagay ko na nga dito sa balay para makaputok kayo. At nari ko si Melissa, inaan mo lang.
Joke lang, joke lang, hindi mo na po yung chocolate. Ito.
Suuban ka.
So I came out to see what was going on, when suddenly the clown jumped out of the bushes, smiling, holding a baseball bat. In the last second, I ran inside and barricaded every door. My mom was already asleep, so I was alone. I sat in the living room and started playing Fortnite to calm down. But then I heard a noise. The clown came down through the fireplace. He was standing right over me. I knew it was over, so I ripped off his mask. It was my old classmate. But when I screamed what was wrong with him, he just said, "I just want my pencil that you never gave back." The clown threw a cleaver straight past my head, yelling, "You can't hide from me!" I immediately wet myself and started running anyway. I spotted a huge dumpster, so I jumped in thinking I lost it. But then I started smelling.
They started off as friends, but nobody could separate them. And soon that friendship devolved into something more. But then, late one night, disaster struck. A murder took place. They searched for years and nobody could find the killer. And eventually, the case was closed. But when everyone gave up, there was one left who kept looking.
The martial arts instructor grabbed the 11-year-old boy and slammed his head first into the mat after he admitted he was scared of sparring. The crack echoed through the room. The instructor looked down at the barely conscious boy and said, "Cowards don't belong in my dojo." The concussion never fully healed. For years, he refused whenever someone raised a hand near his face. But every night after school, he stepped back onto the mat and forced himself to practice until he collapsed from exhaustion. 15 years later, he was the greatest martial artist.
Hey, can I copy your homework? Oh my god, just change it a bit so it doesn't look the same. Okay, okay, no score. Copy your homework? Oh my god, just change it a bit so it doesn't look the same. Okay, no thing, of course. Me as well. Yeah, no, yes sir, you betcha. Oh yeah. Hey, can I copy?
Literally escaped. His cell was upgraded, but it didn't matter. He spotted a ventilation shaft in the ceiling, unscrewed the cover over several weeks, and pulled himself through. But they caught him again. This time, they fitted him with heavy shackles on both his wrists and ankles and considered the problem solved. But every day, they brought him soup, and every day, he poured it slowly over the lock on his shackles and over the lock of his cell. The salt from the soup corroded the metal, and over months, it rusted through. He snapped the lock, removed the chains, and walked out of prison for the third time and was never recaptured. Japan eventually cleared his name, and today, there is a statue of him in his hometown. This man literally is...
Mommy, I did something really naughty today. What happened? Did you promise me that? I didn't promise that until you tell me. I accidentally sold our house.
Ang kahanin ko, ano? Yung pamaturay, correct?